Today we have the 2017 Nissan Qashqai. This vehicle has done just over 58,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have our automatic headlights and keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control, cruise control, and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access our radio, CD and aux, map, navigation, information and setup. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a 360 degrees camera with parking sensors. Just below our screen is our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim. Just above is our panoramic roof.